All right, we're holding on to this early warning weather alert because we have a few more hours where the heat is still going to be quite oppressive and still dangerous with the heat indices above 100 degrees. You still need to use common sense all the way. But then heading into tonight and tomorrow, we're finally going to see the tide change and turn in a way that'll bring cooler weather. And yes, wetter weather too. Now, as we look out there now with our early warning neighborhood weather, we still have heat indices above 100 in many spots though. So this is why we're hanging on to that warning in New Haven at the Foot School. It feels as if it's 102, 106 in Meriden at the airport, and 100 in East Hartford at Two Rivers. The actual air temperature now, they're sitting in the 90s. Should note too that that 98 in Bridgeport is a tie on the record, and so far as the high of the day there. It didn't make it quite to the record in Windsor Locks. Nonetheless, it's really scorching hot still. Look at that Norwich at 97, and you see the dew points are still in the 70s, which is really tropical, soupy stuff. It's way up in the oppressive zone. This number too is going to change. We're going to see those dew points go through the 60s into the 50s next week, in addition to all the other changes we've already hinted at. But it hasn't happened yet. So you step outside and you look out over the skies of Middletown. The clouds are starting to fill in a little bit, but otherwise it is still hot. When we take a look at Old Saybrook, you can see there are some billowing clouds as we look to the north. Yes, there are a few showers and thunderstorms firing up across inland Connecticut. We'll show you in a second. Here's our iCam over New Haven, and here's Storrs, that hazy sunshine so strong. As I mentioned, there is a shower or thunderstorm or two. In fact, there's a pretty good one here across west central Connecticut, here pretty close to Waterbury at this time. You can see how we do have a few lightning strikes with this, and also some heavy downpours are also seen with this as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this over to our Future Scan product. And again, what this is the radar kind of looking ahead, taking the echoes that it has and pushing it forward. So here's where the storm is now, and you can see as I take it to about 7 o'clock, it's going to be downpouring right through Waterbury. The junctions of 8 and 84 will be quite wet with a downpour. It'll be tough going. So right at about 7:05, that's when I'd avoid that area. And then as we look closer to about 7:15 to 7:20, it'll move through Cheshire and work towards Wallingford. A heavy downpour, a few lightning strikes. I don't think anything severe, maybe a gusty wind up to 30 or 40, that's about it. Then as we look towards tomorrow, the front that's sitting to our south, it kind of stalled out, is going to get more active, and that's what's going to be bringing in the better chance for some showers and some thunderstorms tomorrow. So tonight, still stuffy. Temperatures will be in the 70s, but notice highs in the morning, 70s and 80s, but then the readings will fall back during the afternoon. Severe weather is not so much a focus for us with any showers and storms tomorrow, but the Storm Prediction Center says maybe one strong storm close to the Connecticut shoreline. So here's our Futurecast tomorrow's weather today as we take you through the overnight. Any storm we have now will collapse over the next couple of hours. It's quiet early tomorrow, but then as we head past 9 o'clock in the morning, showers and thunderstorms start to come. And look at this, periods of rain and showers and thunderstorms will be with us off and on through Monday evening, and into Monday night. There could be some heavy downpours. We could be talking 1 to 3 inches of rain with this, and it will linger into Tuesday as well. Look at that early warning 7-day forecast. Only 78 for a high on Tuesday, if we're lucky, with lots of clouds and scattered showers and thunderstorms, still muggy. But then as we look towards Wednesday and Thursday, the humidity's down. Lows are in the 50s, highs are in the 80s. That is refreshing.